question is, when staring at your big goal and it seems like a massive elephant that you can't conquer, what will you do? Well, that's the question, and this podcast, Eat Your Elephant, is here to help you to find the answer that will keep you moving forward and making progress. Because you can eat your elephant one bite at a time. I'm your host, Nick Macy, and let's dive right in.
Well, hello there. Good morning. If you're listening to this when it first comes out or in the morning, glad you're here. Glad you're with us. Glad you're interested in pursuing your goals. 'Cause I believe this is what life's about. It's about having things that we're working toward, striving to better ourselves, and making it happen. One step at a time, just making progress. It's a wonderful thing. Not everybody out there is doing it or cares about it. And you're not one of those people, because you probably wouldn't have stumbled across this podcast or have been listening for a while, whichever one you fall into. If you didn't care about making progress or hitting your goals or bettering yourselves or enjoying life, if that wasn't you, then you probably wouldn't be listening. And since that is you, since you do want to make progress and hit your goals and better yourself and do all those great things, since that is you, have you checked out nickmacy.com? There, I have obviously links to the podcast, and for each one of the episodes, there's a short blog post you can find. You can find resources to help get your body to create more energy, to increase your productivity. There's links for green juice, which is a health supplement that I take on a regular basis. It tastes great. I love it. There's books that I've read that have helped me so much, and you can find a list of those, and they might be able to help you. There's just a bunch of great resources that I've tried to put together there for you to help you achieve your goals. So on to today's topic. I'm asking you a question. Are you clear? Are you really crystal clear? Well, being clear, it can be one of your most powerful assets. I won't say most powerful, but it can be a great asset when you get really crystal clear on exactly what you want, who you want to be, and what it means to you. When you get really clear, there's a lot of power in that. Have you ever been there where you want something different, for something to change or improve, knowing that you're capable of more and better things, but you don't know exactly what it is or how to make it happen? Have you ever been there? And if you have, then you know how frustrating it can be, aggravating, and sometimes defeating, because you know that something's there. You know that you can do it. You just don't know what it is. Well, you're not alone if you're there or have been there. I've certainly been there too. And frankly, just to be completely honest and transparent, this is something that I have to go back to and kind of reestablish some clarity and take the time and effort and intention to make sure that I really get clear in areas that I need it. It's not a one-time, just set it and forget it type thing. Sometimes you have to revisit it and continue to get clear on areas that can help. So there's four areas that I really recommend getting crystal clear on. Really paying attention to and detailing, what it is to be clear. So what are they? Well, what you want to achieve. What do you want? Are you clear on exactly what you want? Do certain goals or experiences come to mind when you think about the things that you want? Or what feelings are there when you think about what you want? If I ask you, what's your ideal life? What's the first thing that comes to mind? Get clear on what you want to achieve. That's the first thing. Second one, who you want to be. See, it's the type of person that you want to be, your ideal self. I'm not saying that you got to change or be somebody different, but who you want to be, the best version of you possible. What's that look like? What do you want to be known for? Identifying the kind of person that you want to be can help clarify, the path going forward to be able to achieve goals and enjoy your life. Because it's who you want to be And becoming that person is that person's going to be the person that achieves your goals. So what you want to achieve and who you want to be, they really, really work together. The next area is your why. Why you want it. That big why. Knowing your reasons why you want to achieve something, or the reasons why you want to become that type of person, that is a powerful, powerful motivator. And it can help keep you on track and focused and moving forward. It can help get you to get back on track if you fall off or slip up a little bit. We all make mistakes. We all, I am definitely in that group. I don't want to spend the next couple hours detailing a lot of my mistakes for you, so we're going to keep it brief. I'm just going to promise you that I've made a ton of them. And when I do that, knowing my reasons why I have my goals, it's so helpful, because that way I can just get back on track and keep moving forward, because my reasons why are so important to me. They're so big that it helps me to overcome the challenges, the setbacks, and the frustrations, because no matter how aggravating some of those can be, my reason why I want to achieve my goals is personal, and it's powerful, and it's big to me. So what's your reason why? Get clear on that. And the last one is get clear on how you'll get it, how you'll become that person, how you'll achieve that goal, how you'll pursue these things. What's your plan? Do you have one? So your plan doesn't need to be perfect, because frankly, it won't be. It's not possible to know every single possible situation, variable, outcome, contingency, whatever. You don't have a perfect plan. You don't need a perfect plan. What you need is a plan. You just need a plan, and you need a plan. You need a good one. Detail how you think it's going to play out. That way you can know your absolute next step. Just the next step is what you really get clear on. Now you need the whole plan to kind of make sure that next step is going to take you towards your goal. But you're probably going to have to change your plan and adjust it. I really like the saying, change your plan, not your goal. So you're going to have to adapt that plan as you go, as new things come up and you continue to improve and you develop new skills and all that good stuff on the way to your goal. You can adjust that plan. But for the time being, get crystal clear on what your plan looks like now. That way, you can take your next step. You can know that your next step is taking you towards your goal. So if you want to achieve your goals, enjoy your life, get clear on what you want to achieve, who you want to be, why you want it, and how you'll make it happen. So get clear and take action today, because you can eat your elephant one bite at a time. Now go make it happen. Well, thanks for listening to Eat Your Elephant podcast. It's my pleasure to put these on. Please do me a huge favor and rate and review this podcast. It helps many more people to find it. That's how people find podcasts, is when a podcast gets reviews and ratings, then more people see it. It's just how it works. And without your help, other people won't be able to find the podcast that you're listening to. So please rate and review the podcast, and can't wait to talk to you again soon.